Hannah, what's today's date?
June 6.
June 6th. Alright, before you watch this video that I'm about to put out, no thrills, no excitement type video. Like I say, every day is not thrilling and exciting. I have a question of the day. What fruit do you like to eat here in the Philippines when you come? I mean, you can get fruit everywhere around the world, right? But what is your favorite fruit that you like to eat? And like, you just think it's the best fruit ever grown in the world. You know what I mean? Here's the funny part. I am surrounded with coconuts everywhere. I can have a coconut 5 times a day, 6 times a day. I'm not a big coconut fan. You know what I'm saying? Not a big fan. Will I drink it? Will I eat it? Sure. But you know what? 2 of them here. I'm going to give you 2 that I think are just amazing. One is mangoes. For some reason, like the mangoes here in the Philippines are just so delicious and mouth-watering, and I have to have it cold. Cold mango. Another one is bananas. I always love bananas, but for some reason, the bananas here just seems like the flavor's on steroid. And I'm talking the regular banana that you eat, not the little ones, big ones. You know what I'm saying? Because they use bananas here, different variety of bananas here in the Philippines for different things. So that is your question of the day. So anyways, enjoy the video. Don't fall asleep, because it's basically a non-thrilling, not exciting video. You might even click off on it right now. And guys, remember, thumbs up or thumbs down. I'm doing that survey. Please hit it for me. Anyways, guys, enjoy the video. Good morning, folks. I think it's morning. It might be around 12 o'clock. It's still morning. I am down here. I'm just going to take a walk. I'm going to take a walk down this road here. This is General Luna Siargao Road, from the airport down toward General Luna Dapa Road. There it is. Or Dapa General Luna Road. But it runs from the airport all the way down through here. I've but I've rode my bike down through here many times. But I haven't walked. When you ride your bike, you miss out on seeing a lot of things. There's a foreigner right there. And today I'm going to walk. I'm going to walk and walk and talk, right? This guy's got the seat right there. He's got the seat, got the shade, got the hammock. Good to go. Well, that's what I'm going to do. Walk and talk. You know what? I was just thinking. Before I tell you what I was just thinking, here's Ken Z. Hello. It's Ken Z. This is where we come to get our some of our frozen meats here. Chicken wings, French fries, just little different things. Tocino, bacon. But yeah, let me share with you what I was thinking. Just popped into my mind. You know what you do not see here? You do not see in this area at all. The old Heisman. The old Heisman pose. The old Superman pose. What do I mean by that? In the city where I came from and where we lived, people would just walk out in the middle of the road in front of moving motorcycles, in front of moving cars, stick their hand out like they're doing a Heisman Trophy pose. Hello, good morning. And they think the cars will just stop for them. Never seen it down here. Those that have seen it know exactly what I'm talking about. Here's it's like an office supply place here. Yeah, office supply. 3 Ks. Consumer goods trading, school office supplies, sporting goods and trophies, other merchandise. Like I said, I haven't walked down this road. But all your roads leading to the right take you down to the port and the market. and the ocean. Everything leading to your left. Matter of fact, I never even walked over on that back road back there. I know back in there is a elementary school. Yeah, elementary school. And a lot of kids seem to go down there. Look at this. Road's a little wet. A lot of kids seem to go down there. At least when school is going on, you can hit this street here when school is either getting in or going out, and the traffic can back up. Here's an air conditioned repair place, air conditioned place. Appliance repair, probably what it is. Refrigeration and air conditioned services, there it is. All you got to do is look up. But I've never really seen this street like packed full of vehicles. Traffic moves decent. Right here on the right is a bakery. It's like bakeries all over. Choose your bakery place. I smell something good. It's probably over there at that fried chicken place, or that chicken place over there. Manok. Yeah, that's what I smell. Here's a hello, sir. Here's your bakery again. And what they have here seems like they have in every single bakery. Sweet. But they don't have like donuts, like Dunkin' Donuts and Krispy Kreme or anything like that. Right up here, somebody asked me, is there a, what is it called? I can see it. Western Union here. Yes, there is a Western Union here. I'm not talking about Lichamanuk. Talking about Western Union. Here's a Western Union right here. Right here on the corner. I don't see many people coming in here doing business. They do that Palawan employer. That seems to be the popular way to pick up, send and receive money. Construction going on there. I don't know what that is. There's a sign there, but it's very faded. Very faded. Can't make it out. Engineering, construction, something. Oh, hi, puppy. How you doing, puppy? Used sneakers. Sneaker store. Used shoes, probably some new shoes. Look at that building there. That's old, decrepit, and falling down, huh? Another one. Wonder what they use it for. Storage? Oh yeah, doesn't look like anything's going on in there. You know what? I'm gonna hop over down that street. I've never walked that street, and I never even drove down that street. So I'm gonna hop over there. All right, one street over. Actually, two streets over. I don't know what's back in here. Homes, your typical living areas, right? It's all open up there. Houses. Couldn't tell you what homes run. Somebody asked me, what do homes run here on this island? I really couldn't tell you. I really don't know. Don't know the land prices. Well, don't know home prices. Really don't know. There, I mean, you see some nice homes tucked back in there. That's a nice little home right there. Really nice little home. Are these apartments back in here? Here's a ZM residence. Don't know what that is. It's a residence, right? Are these apartments up here? Could be. Warehouse for rent. You want a warehouse? You want to rent a warehouse? They got it here. Of course, you got your little sorry stores back in here. Reality of Christ Church. Dapasalite office. Zafamico closed. And then it comes to a T. We shall turn left. No, I don't know, because I think that may take me up and over the hill. And I don't want to go up over the hill and keep walking, so we'll turn around and go down another street. All right, let's stroll this street. See what's on this street. Not much traffic back in here. All your traffic is on the other side of Dapa General Luna Road. That's for sure. This is quiet back in here. Hello. How you doing? All right, what's your name? Miguel, what's your name? What's your name? Nice to meet you. My name is Brian. Nice to meet you guys. Miguel, that's my brother-in-law's name. Hey, my friend, all right.
Hey, nice.
Church. Ingleses. That says Ingleses Filipina Independent Day. Yeah, independent. Yeah, independent. Thought it was an E. Cathedral Church of the Holy Child. All right, another church. Another church. That's a big, nice, colorful building there. A couple of roosters here. Hello, roosters. Just gonna see the water lines. Empty lot. Like I say, not every day is a exciting day. This is some type of root crop here, I know, because Lut has this growing too, right along the road. That's cool looking from the back end, that old rickety stairs going up. There's somebody sitting up there, so somebody uses that building. This, I think, to the right here, might be the start of the elementary school. Yeah, this is the start of the elementary school right here in Dapa. Drainage system here. My thrilling, exciting day, you know. Nice breeze. Sun's not out. Oh. Sun's not out beating on me. That's a good thing. Right here's the entrance to the school. Dapa Central Elementary School and SP Center. Big school in there. Big. A lot of land. There it is. School district ID. Well, I can check it off my list. I've walked back in here. Construction going there, or a little demolition going on there. Hard to say. Hard to say if it was rebuilt after Typhoon Odette that came through. I'll just keep walking down here to the end. Those are big leaves. Big leaves. Oh, hair salon back in there. And the road turns to the left or the right, and I'm going left. That's a nice looking home right there. That is a home too. I could see a car parked in there. Very nice looking home. Looks like they have a little business out front. Other school supplies, I think. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
A bakery in there. Let me go see what's in there. Glad I stopped in there. Little cake shop. And you know what they had in there that I liked, but I've never seen it down here? A red velvet cake. I love a good red velvet cake. I do remember it. I will be back to get it. I might pick one up for Fiesta, but anyways, there's Mad Max. We've done a complete loop around here. And I gotta hit the grocery store up here. I need a few things.